Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. I wanted to talk about the state of the economy, the recession that's probably coming, and kind of things like that. Kind of get your feedback, what you think. I've talked about this a couple times, but I've felt like we're heading for a recession for a few years now. I'm surprised it's taken this long. If I'm not mistaken, this is the longest period between recessions that we've ever had. So, and I think we're going to have a pretty big fall. What are you guys doing in your business to kind of get ready? As far as us, we've been trying to consolidate our debt, get our debt payments down as much as possible. We've been trying to pay off debt. We've been trying to get as lean as possible with our operations. Another big thing is we've been trying to offer as much value as possible to our customers because as the economy takes a dump, people's 401ks take a hit, and all that, etc. People, when their budgets get pinched, they're going to start looking at ways to save money, and there's always a lower cost alternative. So, what are we doing that's creating value for our customers that's hard to replace? Are we doing the best job for our customers? Are we following up on their complaints if they have any? Are we being proactive and offering our services and all the services that we can offer to that customer? Because the more services we can offer to that customer, the harder it is to replace us. What kind of things like that are we doing to get ready? I think this recession is going to hurt us all. I think if your business is heavily reliant on install type work, big ticket items, I think that's going to be and typically is the first thing to go. So this is why I've talked about that I don't want to have an install business type business. I would rather have recurring maintenance because even though it might not be as glamorous and it might not be as high margins, it's more predictable, and it's a little bit more recession proof. I think a lot of install build work is going to take a big hit. I think companies that are way over leveraged, that have bought all kinds of big trucks and equipment, they're going to take a big hit. They bought big houses, trucks, boats, equipment. All that stuff. Those payments aren't going to stop when the work stops. So, I think, as you typically see in these situations, unfortunately, those people are going to feel a lot of pain. I think it's going to be much easier to hire, which is what I'm most excited about. As typical in a recession that, a lot of companies are going to, go out of business. They're going to become more lean. They're going to lay off, and it's going to free up good talent, and it's going to free up people in the marketplace. And I think we're going to be able to hire better talent. And that's typically what happens. The only way that wouldn't happen is if we get a bunch of free money printed out, and all kinds of government programs that kind of discourage people from seeking employment or keeping employment. But I think there's going to be some good things to come from it. I think there's going to be a lot of opportunity. I think if you're ready to market and you're ready to try to grow your business, I think there's going to be an opportunity for that, because most people are going to be doing the opposite. They're going to be cutting their marketing budgets. They're going to be cutting back, and they're going to be in survival mode. And I think, those of us that are ready, that we're lean, that we're providing a great service for our customers, I think there's a big opportunity. But I'd be curious to hear your feedback, what you guys think, how bad this is going to be. What you're doing to prepare your business and whatnot, and I appreciate any feedback that you might have. Hope you're having a good day.